This cream cleanser is a gentle, hydrating, and nourishing formula designed for normal to sensitive skin. It's packed with a blend of upcycled moringa, oat, and vitamin F to support the skin's moisture barrier and leave it looking healthy and refreshed. It has moringa rich in antioxidants, gently cleanses, softens, and hydrates the skin, while upcycled apple and oats lock in moisture to soothe and nourish the skin. Vitamin F. Essential fatty acids in vitamin F support the skin barrier and promote healthy skin. The cleanser has a rich, creamy texture that transforms into a nice, foaming lather when applied to the skin. It's easy to massage onto the skin and rinses off cleanly, leaving no residue behind. This cleanser is incredibly gentle, yet effective at removing makeup, dirt, and impurities from the skin. It doesn't strip the skin of its natural moisture, leaving it feeling hydrated and silky soft. The formula is also fragrance-free, making it suitable for sensitive skin. This cream cleanser is a must-try for anyone with normal to sensitive skin. Its gentle, effective, and hydrating formula makes it perfect for daily use. Whether you're looking for a cleanser to remove makeup, soothe dry skin, or simply maintain healthy, glowing skin, this product is an excellent choice.